Okay.
Happy birthday, Jordan. I'm making a video for you on how to make frozen watermelon yogurt dog treats, but humans can eat it too if they want. So you need 2 cups of chopped watermelon and plain yogurt. This is vanilla. That's your mom's doing. And I'm not using a silicone mold, but it is a mold, or you can use an ice cube tray. And then the other thing you need is a tablespoon, because you will use that to put the yogurt in the tray. So you're going to puree the watermelon, because I don't think you want your dog's chunks of frozen watermelon. Alright, and here we go. Alright. Get it on. And it looks nice and pureed. See? Okay, so for the yogurt, you will put the yogurt in first, tablespoon at a time, in each mold. Okay, now that we've filled all of the heart molds, because you know you love your doggies so much, with the yogurt, now you're going to put the watermelon puree in. Fill it up the rest of the way. The nice thing about this is at least you know what's in your dog's treat. Unlike the pet store where you don't know what preservatives or what they may be putting in it. Once you get all of these filled up, you'll put it in the freezer for 4 hours. And if you're using a silicone mold, it should come out of the mold fairly easy. If you're using an ice tray or something that's a little harder, you might have to leave it out for a few minutes to get it a little soft first before you are able to get it out of the tray. Once it's froze, and you pop them all out, you can put it in an airtight container and put it back in the freezer and feed your dog at another time, or you can even eat it. We'll see how it looks once it's frozen.